Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you step by step how the 3D map works in Excel. So what you need to do is you need to fill out these four. This is the street, city, postal code, and country. And this is not mandatory, but I will show you why I made this value of height just to make it a little more alive in the map. So, but we need these four, and this one is not mandatory as I said. And I just chose four random addresses in New York and around New York. I'm myself from Denmark. I'm not really familiar with these addresses, but yeah, I just chose some to make an example. The street, city, postal code, and country is available in every country. So if you wanted to do this in Germany or Great Britain or anything, you could do that as well. The map is from Bing and powered by TomTom, and it has the whole map, like you know from iPhone Maps or Google Maps or whatever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mark everything of it, and you're gonna press Insert and go to 3D maps. You just press it, and then your computer is gonna think a little bit, and it's gonna pop up with a map. And because we specified all these different areas, Excel knows exactly what addresses I want. I want it to be pointed out here. So this is the exact four addresses that I just found randomly in Google Maps before on the internet. So this can be used if you are like a real estate man, you want to buy some properties, you want to see which area it's in, everything compared to each other. So, but if I want to make a little bit more alive, I can, like right now, it's like a little triangle. You can see here, it's pretty nice here. But if I want some height on it, this is where my not mandatory category is going in. It's going to call the value height. And as you see here, it's going to be four nice lines here. And I can do even more. I can do a lot of things here. I'll just give you a little guide here of what you can actually do when you have these four addresses. So what you can do, you can press on one of the addresses. You can right click and add annotation. So maybe you want to say that this is mom's home. I don't know, and it will stick to that address whenever you go around. Mom home, whatever. And I can click on the other one, and I can say brother's house, and I can down here write. I can write this like 1 million, just like that, if that's what I wanted. And I can also, if I want to, I can say layer options, and I can adjust the height of my pinned out properties. I can adjust the thickness. I can make it really thin. If I have a lot, it's maybe nice to have a nice overview instead of making them super thick. I can change the way I want the colors. I can make it green if I want to. I can make them red. Also up here, if you go all the way up, you can make heat maps if you want to instead. So like if you have a lot of properties, this heat map will show where there are many properties and where there's less, of course. You can also make like the color scale and everything. You can specify it just the way you want to. So, but let's go back to this one. So yeah, you can also change the opacity if you want to. If you have a lot of buildings like in the middle of the city here, you can maybe make the thickness a little bit thinner. And if you want to see something behind the line here, you can make the opacity just as I did here. Instead of if you make it solid, it can be hard if you have a lot of properties. But yeah, so this is what you could do. And then if you want to, you can capture the screen. And you can just close this down. And if you want to, you can press Ctrl V and you'll get a screenshot of the whole thing in here. You can use it for a PowerPoint presentation or whatever you want to. And as soon as you just go back here, just mark whatever cell, doesn't matter. You go into 3D maps and open 3D maps. Your tour is here. The one we just, Excel have saved the tour that you have made, and you can do whatever you want to. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.